lovely day back in town.
You did bended the fuego.
And look, Fuego is perfect.
Pull up some more chairs.
Look at Fuego. You can see the.
Oh my god.
All right, this beautiful church is the Mercy Church. It's for the Virgin Mary, Mercy. And you can go to the roof, but I don't have time to get it done because I'm leaving very early tomorrow morning.
Hotel, Airbnb, where you stay. You went to restaurant,
Fountains.
fountain. Why? They want to show wealth.
Oh,
life.
okay. The Guatemalan flag is the blue to represent the Caribbean and Pacific, and the white is the peaceful Guatemalans. And they also have the quetzal on there, which is the national bird. What do we have? Mansion?
Images.
Oh, images.
Sorry.
Yeah, the crucifixion.
Yes.
Yeah, stages of the cross.
The stages of the cross that go outside in Holy Week. The entire week before Easter.
Holy Week. It's big,
Holy Week.
big kite. To fly a kite, a giant kite.
Okay.
Kite.
Can you fly those? Can you fly?
You can fly.
No, can you?
No.
No? Okay.
To fly one of these is like 3 people.
So easy. 5 is the bar, and then you add a dot. 0 through 19 makes sense. But what?
You need levels.
That is crazy. Okay. So this is the famous arch in Antigua. It connects the church to the convent, so the nuns were not seen because apparently they were from a cloister of nuns that was not allowed to be seen by the public. And then in the 1800s something, they added a clock on there. If you look closely, the Roman numeral 4 is wrong because they wanted a unique style clock, so they made it just 4. So back in the day, carriage wheels would often hit the side of the building, and if you're wealthy, you had a column, but if not, you would just put a cornerstone to protect the structure. The Starbucks apparently is also nice, just like the McDonald's. No, interesting.
But for humans?
Another church that was destroyed in one of the 3 earthquakes in the 1700s, and then there was over here the first high school, and then it was a marketplace. Before that, they used to drive a coffee, and then the red coloring is from a little bug that lives in a cactus called the roly-poly. And this is what they sold at the market here. Detail.
They have toys for the kids. Is it already recording?
Yeah. Luis did it on one try. No!
Oh!
Nope. Third time's a charm. No, let's try. Oh, that's even close.
Yeah.
Oh. Thank you.
That's so easy.
Do it again. He did it one try. He's gonna do it again.
Okay. Now I'm shy with the cameras.
Oh! Okay, go. Yay! Take number 2. We got it.
We have 3 volcanoes.
Santiago's the guy on the horse. St. James, who knew? And then 3 volcanoes.
The 3 volcanoes around the city.
Ah, so we have Agua, Fuego, and Acantonado.
You got it.
Beautiful. Parque Central.
Was the president of Central America, the mayor of Santiago de Guatemala, and the general of whole Central America.
Wow.
But these 3 titles was just in one guy. So one guy was the
All the
president, the
power.
mayor, and the general.
Wow.
Symbol for eating it.
Nope.
Yes. So the idea of this fountain came from Bologna, Italia. In Bologna, Italy, it is a fountain like that in honor of Neptune god. So Neptune is in the top,
Oh,
going up from a seashell. He's building this one.
military power.
Charles
Opposite of
III
the
was the
political
king
power.
of Spain. So Charles III unified what
King Charles
today
III.
we call it Spain. Of the 47
The main church of the 47.
churches.
Oh,
Yeah,
47 churches. This
Yeah.
is the big one.
Yeah,
Okay.
this was the cathedral. It started in this street and finished in the other street. So
Wow.
the entire
We would have had to rebuild it.
This one was just for men, just for Spanish.
Boys only high school, Spanish only.
No women. That's the
Beautiful.
So here are the ruins of the cathedral. So they are the remnants of what happened after the earthquake.
Yeah.
And if you see in the top, they say they restored the arches.
First university in all of Central America. What year?
1675.
1675, before the earthquakes.
Yes, not the apostle.
Saint Brother Pedro, who had the first public hospital. He said, we don't need more churches, we need a hospital for everybody. Beautiful. We like
Because of
have
that,
the power.
the Nicaragua and Costa Rica split.
Ah.
And then Honduras and El Salvador, Honduras and El Salvador want to get their own independence.
Union
So
Park.
Guatemala said no. So we went in a war. So here was the clean water.
Yeah.
With
Uh-huh.
a bucket. You take the water.
Yep.
You wash here.
Okay.
And the dirty water go in a different pipe. So if you see
Ah, and it
they
goes
have-
out.
Yeah.
Okay.
They have a drill.
One of the 47 churches, only 11 remain. This is a museum during the week, but an event space on the weekends. No event today though.
They have one.
They had one? Okay. Front of the church, Baroque style. So in 1979, this became UNESCO World Heritage. You can't really do anything different. So you can repair stuff, but you can't just build new stuff that's or take down this old stuff, including the streets, which is why the streets are such a disaster. They're so bumpy. So they're preserving it how it was, and they are preserving the bumpiness.
All the 13 stars, the 13 people.
Saint Francis of Assisi. I've heard that before. It's hard for me to say that one, but it's missing a lot.
The
Yeah.
entire tower.
Yeah.
Yes,
The whole
earthquake.
earthquake.
You're good.
So crazy.
Yeah.
You're like, what time is it?
They can't miss it.
300 o'clock.
And on the top.
Que tú ya sabes que está acá por la
Necesidades e intenciones de Amílcar, Abimael,
The only fountain to make wishes here
Ah.
in Antigua. Do you have any wish?
Pancho,
So the
Pancho,
Pancho Valley
Pancho.
was a river crossing.
Mayan
it.
word for this valley. What happened to the river?
The Spanish changed the way of it.
Oh,
The river is still today,
boo.
but it's around the city.
Oh.
It's spent.
So this is the terrace at the Flore Hospital. Nice. Beautiful. It's exactly what I was looking for. Like all the little buildings and the history and everything. So the papillon was recommended by Luis, and we're gonna try that out today. Papillon. So this is a stew with chicken and rice, and it's Mayan. Oh, all right. Boom. And we have a blue corn tortilla. That's gonna be chicken, rice, and tortilla coming right up. On a cold day out there, this chicken stew is hitting the spot. We're in a restaurant, cafe, karaoke, bar. Very interesting. Lots of different unique things in here, including whipped cream and skulls. And here we are. Karaoke. Nice. I can get a new pumice stone. Yeah, this would be great for a pumice stone. Wow.